Say, Henry, is it right for a 20-year-old girl to leave her parent house to stay alone? Sweetheart, can we appreciate that 20-year-old girl? Listen. The time has long passed where we think you have to get married first before you leave your parents' house. That's a lie. Then you tell me if you got a scholarship or an opportunity to travel abroad, you are not supposed to go until you are married. That would be the case. So if you say a 20-year-old girl shouldn't get her own apartment because she wants to take up responsibility for herself, if you say that, that means you are equally saying if she has scholarship abroad, she shouldn't go because she's not married or for any reason. But spoilers alert, watch out. Take note that 20-year-old girl must be very mature and disciplined before thinking of staying alone. If not, it's going to be a whole bunch of disaster. You are going to regret leaving your parents out. Because when you are under the roof of your parent, there is one thing that is certain for every good parents. You have what we call parental protection. That we want to protect you from harmful friends, harmful things and all that. But when you are now living alone, you become exposed to certain things. So you will have to be mature to some level to be able to handle some responsibility. To avoid certain things, you will have to be disciplined to some extent. God bless you. That's my answer for you.